Alright guys, so it's your boy Daddy Easy here. So I'm doing a fast little video for you guys, and this is something that you should do right away when you updated your new ROG Ally to the new BIOS. Well, not the new BIOS, the new MCU firmware. Basically what it does, it allows you to calibrate your analog sticks and your triggers. And I noticed that my triggers wasn't calibrated correctly. So when I was playing games, I was noticing that I wasn't having a faster trigger setting. So basically this is all what you need to do. So only thing you need to do is go to Armoury Crate. So I'm gonna open it up right now. And I'm gonna basically show you what you really need to do. I'm gonna go here, go to calibrations. So my left trigger right here, as you can see, is fully calibrated. So, but if I go to my right trigger, as you can see right there, it's not fully calibrated. So easy fix right there. I'm going to do my left trigger, start calibration, wait, press on it, not too hard, calibrate it, done. Okay, next one, I'm going to do it because it's not going to go all the way. So that's the stop pit right there. It's going to be at for the calibration. So I'm going to hit that. I'm just going to press it. That's it. Calibrate it. Now it's all the way, so I don't gotta squeeze my trigger no more. So make sure that you do this calibration, because most likely your left trigger or your right trigger might not be calibrated. I opened it up to see what was going on with the triggers. Just had to do a little bit of calibration to actually fix the problem. So I'm going to test it out playing some Call of Duty, some Forza, and see actually what's going on. All right guys, I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.